Before this video starts, I just want to apologise for the quality, and once I upload it on YouTube it could cut and make the video look much smaller and zoomed in, so I don't know until I upload, so please don't judge too much. I'm trying. I've tried a new angle this time, but let's just get into it because I've had a few comments asking for the ringtones and other things. Oh, you can see my phone. This is the setup. But let's give it a go. The apps, I don't think it has any apps. I think that's the whole point of this phone. It's like a digital detox, so it has the basics on here. I've just got to remember where the ringtones are. What's on the extras? Countdown, stopwatch, torch, converter, voice recorder, files. So that's the phone's memory. It says 11.2 megabytes. Barbie meditation. Meditate with Barbie. Just see how much time you want for meditation, and you will hear a gentle gong sound at the start and the end of the session. Cute. Going to get a SIM today as well, so I'll be putting that in. Oh, it does have internet apparently. Maybe I've got to put the SIM in. Oh, I don't know where the sounds are. Would it be on setting? Because it doesn't. I thought it might have a Barbie song, but it doesn't. Personalization, sounds. Oh, here we go. So this is the ringtones. So it has floating. I'm not sure how you make it louder. No. You have coastal. Dream house. Surf chimes. Poolside. And that's it. It says you can choose from music, so I'm assuming you can upload music on here. Lock screen background, wallpapers. I don't want to put it too close to my phone because, again, like I said, when it uploads it might be really blurry or too close. Because the quality for me, looking through my phone, looks okay, but I don't know what happens when I upload to YouTube. It just seems to be wafty. Keypad. You can add a welcome note. But yeah, I thought it might have the Barbie song on here. Snakes, I've already showed. You've got game type, you've got classic, box, tunnel, mill, rouse, apartment, calculator. The radio I thought was quite cool. Oh wait, I don't know if I can get copyright for that. Not that you could see what it was. But I love that it has a radio. So, but then you have to go on here and literally put close radio. Otherwise it will start playing again if you press this button, I believe. Calendar. Messaging. Is it like typing a message? My God, it's been a while. How do you do capitals? Cute. That's my wallpaper that I chose. The camera's not too bad as well. Oh, I love it. It's so pink. Oh, it has a recorder as well. I can do some recording. Nice. This is where this went in. Had to use the like silver pin that comes with, I don't know, when you want to replace your SIM in a phone, it comes with like a silver key toy. Had to use that to like filter it through in this gap because it's quite fiddly. But yeah, I've put my charms on here. You have to put them in between the gaps of the pink really, because these have silver balls in between them, and then this doesn't have a silver ball, so you have to put it in them gaps. I just love it, really do love it, and I can't wait to put the sim in it later. Unlock. So old school. Just, yeah, I love it. I think I've showed everything as much as I can. The jewel sim. There we go. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate your time and energy. If you are interested in seeing more about this, I do have a playlist specifically for this Barbie flip phone on my YouTube, so just check that out. I hope you have a great day or great evening or great morning, whatever that is. And I want to say I'm so grateful I got my hands on one of these phones. It's just, yeah, I really like it. It's everything I want and need and wanted. Need? Yeah, it's everything I wanted. So, yeah. What are you grateful for today?